Telecommunication is the science of communicating over a distance, and it has a long and fascinating history. Here are a few key innovations in the field. Invention of telegraph. The invention of the telegraph in the 1830s allowed messages to be sent over long distances using electrical signals. This was a huge leap forward in communication technology. Invention of telephone. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, Alexander Graham Bell and others developed the telephone, which allowed people to speak to each other in real time over long distances. Invention of radio and television. In the mid-1900s, the invention of radio and television revolutionized communication once again, allowing for mass broadcasting of information and entertainment. Invention of computer networking. The 1960s and 70s saw the development of computer networking, which eventually led to the creation of the Internet. The Internet has transformed communication yet again, allowing people all over the world to connect with each other instantly and share information on a More recently, the widespread adoption of smartphones has made it possible for people to communicate in ways that were once unimaginable. Today, we can video chat with someone on the other side of the world, send instant messages to friends and family, and access a wealth of information at our fingertips. Era after 2000s, the era of latest technology. After the first smartphones were invented in the early 2000s, telecommunication technology continued to rapidly evolve, leading to a number of exciting new innovations. Here are some of the most important ones. 4G LTE. This technology, which stands for long-term evolution, was introduced in 2009 and offered faster and more reliable mobile internet speeds than the previous 3G technology. This allowed for more seamless streaming of video and music, as well as better performance for other internet-based applications. Data, improving call quality and allowing for faster. This technology allowed for voice calls to be transmitted over the same 4G LTE networks used for data, improving call quality and allowing for faster connections. Wi-Fi calling. This feature, introduced in 2015, allowed users to make phone calls over Wi-Fi networks, rather than relying on cellular networks. This was especially useful in areas with poor cellular coverage. 5G, the next generation of cellular technology. 5G was introduced in 2019 and promised even faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and better coverage. It's expected to enable a wide range of new applications, from self-driving cars to remote surgeries. Foldable smartphones. In recent years, a number of smartphone manufacturers have introduced foldable devices, which use flexible screens to allow for larger displays that can be folded up to fit in a pocket or purse. While still relatively new, these devices offer exciting new possibilities for the future of mobile computing. These are just a few examples of the many innovations that have taken place in the telecommunications field since the invention of smartphones. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the years to come.